cheese balls. I only got halfway. Oh my god. Is he attacking all these giant grandma ladies? Ow, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. Oh shoot, no, no, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. Oh god. Oh, Bloody Mary. Oh god, no, 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 no. Go. I don't have any soul, apparently. Use the trapper. Oh no, and she's alone! Hello! Hello! Get clothes on! And we lost. No, 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 no. That's not what I meant to do. Doing great, doing great, doing great, doing great. We're gonna do this one. You didn't interrupt my stream, it's okay. You're worth it. You're worth an interruption of the stream. Oh, okay. I guess we're going. This is more like Granny. Except there's two grandmas. I have no idea where the flipping keys are. What was that noise? What was the noise I just made? Wait a minute. There's a map! Are you kidding me? I am such an idiot. Go, 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 go. Run! Ha, I sneaky. Wahaha. Ooh, there's someone back here. No, 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 no. Dang it. Help. Some help would be nice.